নমস্কার। আমি আজকে দুপুরবেলা একটি পোস্ট করেছিলাম এবং সেখানে আমি আপনাদের পরিষ্কার করে জানিয়েছিলাম যে আজকে 5ই সেপ্টেম্বর শিক্ষক দিবস নিয়ে একটি লাইভ অনুষ্ঠান আমি করব এবং সেখানে আমি পরিষ্কার করে জানাবো যে শিক্ষক দিবস কি, কেন, তার তাৎপর্য কোথায় এবং আমরা কার জন্মদিনে শিক্ষক দিবস পালন করতে চলেছি, যিনি আদৌ প্রকৃত শিক্ষক ছিলেন কিনা। এই শিক্ষক দিবস 5ই সেপ্টেম্বর করবার আদৌ কোনো সারবত্তা আছে কিনা, প্রয়োজন আছে কিনা, সেটা আমাদেরকে ভেবে দেখতে হবে। আজকে সকাল থেকে আমরা দেখছি আমার অজস্র বন্ধু, অজস্র শিক্ষক বন্ধু, অজস্র ছাত্রছাত্রী ভাই খুব ধুমধাম সহকারে 5ই সেপ্টেম্বর শিক্ষক দিবস পালন করছেন। আমি তাদের কাছে জানতে চাইছি যে আপনারা কি প্রকৃতই মনে করেন যে 5ই সেপ্টেম্বর শিক্ষক দিবস? যদি আপনারা মনে করেন যে হ্যাঁ 5ই সেপ্টেম্বর শিক্ষক দিবস, তাহলে আপনারা কেন মনে করেন 5ই সেপ্টেম্বর শিক্ষক দিবস? 1962 খ্রিস্টাব্দের 5ই সেপ্টেম্বর পণ্ডিত জওহরলাল নেহেরু দ্বিখণ্ডিত ভারতবর্ষের প্রথম প্রধানমন্ত্রী পণ্ডিত জওহরলাল নেহেরু তার ব্যক্তিগত স্তাবক, তার পার্সোনাল প্রাইভেট স্টুজ, তদানীন্তন ভারতবর্ষের রাষ্ট্রপতি ডক্টর সর্বপল্লী রাধাকৃষ্ণানের নামে তার জন্মদিনটিকে জাতির উদ্দেশ্যে শিক্ষক দিবস হিসাবে প্রচলন করেন, প্রতিষ্ঠা দেন। এবং তারপর থেকে 62 থেকে 2000 গত 38 বছর এবং 2000 থেকে 2021 গত 59 বছর ধরে আমরা ভারতবর্ষের নির্বোধ মানুষ 5ই সেপ্টেম্বরকে শিক্ষক দিবস হিসাবে পালন করে চলেছি। আমাকে শুধু যারা আমার লাইভ দেখছেন তারা একটু বলবেন যে আমি যে বলছি আপনারা কি শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? ইজ ইট অডিয়েবল? যদি শুনতে পান তাহলে একটু দয়া করে লিখবেন যে হ্যাঁ ইট ইজ অডিয়েবল, হ্যাঁ শোনা যাচ্ছে। যদি শোনা না যায় তাহলে দয়া করে বলবেন যে না শোনা যাচ্ছে না, সেক্ষেত্রে আমি হেডফোন ইউজ করবো। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি ব্লুটুথ নিয়ে রেখেছি, হেডফোন আমার কাছে এই মুহূর্তে নেই। ফলে অর্ক তুমি আমাকে কাইন্ডলি বলবে যে ইজ ইট অডিয়েবল, এটা কি শোনা যাচ্ছে? যদি শোনা যায় তাহলে বলবে হ্যাঁ দাদা শোনা যাচ্ছে। আজকের দিনটা ভারতবর্ষের মানুষের কাছে খুব ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট, কারণ পণ্ডিত জওহরলাল নেহেরু দ্বিখণ্ডিত ভারতবর্ষের প্রথম প্রধানমন্ত্রী, যিনি ভারতবর্ষকে দ্বিখণ্ডিত করবার প্রধান কারিগর মোহনদাস করমচাঁদ গান্ধীকে এড়িয়ে সর্দার বল্লভভাই প্যাটেল ও মোহাম্মদ আলী জিন্নাহর সঙ্গে পরামর্শ করে যিনি ভারতবর্ষকে 3টি খণ্ড করেছিলেন এবং ভারত ভাগ করার নাম করে বেসিক্যালি পাঞ্জাব ও বাঙ্গালকে ভাগ করেছিলেন, পাঞ্জাবিদের এবং বাঙালিদের দুর্বল করেছিলেন, সেই জওহরলাল নেহেরুর অত্যন্ত অনুগত স্নেহভাজন স্টুজ, একজন স্তাবক, তার নাম হচ্ছে ডক্টর সর্বপল্লী রাধাকৃষ্ণান। তার জন্মদিনটিকে স্বাধীন ভারতবর্ষের শিক্ষক দিবস হিসাবে বেছে নেওয়া হয়েছে। আমার প্রশ্ন, যদি রাধাকৃষ্ণান প্রকৃতই পণ্ডিত হতেন, যদি রাধাকৃষ্ণান প্রকৃতই সৎ হতেন, যদি রাধাকৃষ্ণানের স্কলার, পাণ্ডিত্য, ট্যালেন্ট, আভিজাত্য নিয়ে প্রশ্ন তোলার অবকাশ না থাকতো, তাহলে তার জন্মদিনকে শিক্ষক দিবস হিসেবে মেনে নিতে অন্তত আমার কোনো আপত্তি থাকতো না। আমি ব্যক্তিগতভাবে চাইব যে পণ্ডিত ঈশ্বরচন্দ্র বিদ্যাসাগর, who is the first architect of modern Indian education system, তার জন্মদিন থেকে ভারতবর্ষে শিক্ষক দিবস পালন করা হোক। Rather not the people who has cheated us, rather not the people whose date of birth is confusing. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was not at all born on 5th day of September. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 20th day of September 1887. It is a documented in affidavit in Kolkata High Court on 1929. He given an affidavit to Kolkata High Court that he was born on 20th day of September 1887, not 5th day of September 1887. Then how could I celebrate the Teachers' Day on a particular people's birthday who was not at all born on 5th September? First, I must point on this thing. আমরা কি করে সেই ব্যক্তির জন্মদিন শিক্ষক দিবস হিসেবে পালন করতে পারি যিনি আদৌ আজকের দিনে জন্মগ্রহণই করেননি? How could we celebrate in a people's birthday, in a man's birthday as a teacher's day who stolen his theory of his student? Sir Jadunath Sinha, a learned people from Birbhum district of Kurumgram village, nearby Rampurhat subdivision, was an eminent scholar of Calcutta University. And just Jadunath Sinha was having huge and eminent potential. He wrote his thesis on Indian psychology and perception, and he gave it to the faculty of Calcutta University to make it published on 1923 and 1924. The first volume was in 1923 and the second volume was in 1924. Unfortunately, Radhakrishnan was his teacher. He stolen the theory and thesis of this Indian psychology and perception of Sir Jadunath Sinha and published this in his name with the help of Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee. With the help of Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as Indian philosophy in Modern Review magazine. You people would be surprised to know that Modern Review, when Modern Review published this in 1929, Oxford University asked Pandit Radhakrishnan to come over there and take his doctorate in literature scholarship. Radhakrishnan was not a person who wrote this theory. It was a copy-paste theory which was truly built, truly written by Sir Jadunath Sinha. When Sir Jadunath Sinha saw this magazine, he got surprised कि मैंने तो भाई अपना टीचर को अपना पेपर छापने के लिए कैलकाटा यूनिवर्सिटी में दिया, मेरा ही टीचर मेरा ही पेपर चोरी करके अपने नाम पे बुक छपवा दिया. And we Indian people celebrate that person's birthday who stolen his theory of his student. Sir Jadunath Sinha went to Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy and Brajendranath Sil. Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy and Brajendranath Sil asked him to go to Calcutta High Court and make a file suit against Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Jadunath Sinha went to Kolkata High Court, submitted the documents that yes, it was my paper, volume 1, volume 2. Article 1, Article 2, Article 3, Article 4, Article 5 and Article 6 was written by me. It is the concept of Indian philosophy and the property of Indian philosophy and the perception of Indian philosophy that is written by me. And I have been published in two journal. First was in Calcutta University and second one is Meerut College of Uttar Pradesh. Calcutta University verified the entire things and got the point that yes, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a fake. He stolen the theory of his student. And Calcutta High Court asks the Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University, Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee, to make a commission against Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan was a learned professor of Calcutta University. Radhakrishnan was a learned professor of Calcutta University who was very much closer to Rabindranath Tagore. He was very much closer to Jawaharlal Nehru. He was very much closer to Babu Rajendra Prasad. He was very much closer to Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a very eminent personality during that time in India. So how could a student like Jadunath Sinha go against him? So Shama Prasad came down into the Maidan. श्यामा प्रसाद मैदान में उतर आए और जदुनाथ सिन्हा को बुलाए कि बेटे इधर आओ, राधाकृष्णन ने गलती किए लेकिन कैलकाटा यूनिवर्सिटी का नाक तुम मत कटो, केस विथड्रॉ कर लो. एंड ब्रजेंद्रनाथ सील कन्विंस जदुनाथ सिन्हा and Jadunath Sinha forcefully withdrawn the case from Calcutta University in 1929. On 4th of April 1929, the first founder of Indian pharmaceutical company, Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray, who is famous in the world for discovering the mercury nitrate acid, wrote a letter to Sir Jadunath Sinha and asked that yes, you have done a good job. You should not return back from that side until unless you get this recognition that the perception of Indian psychology is your thesis. It is not a thesis of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan at all. Radhakrishnan went back. Radhakrishnan took apologize, given an affidavit to Calcutta High Court and withdrew his thesis and asked that yes, it was a thesis of his son, Sir Jadunath Sinha. This is the nature, honesty and talent of such a scholar who became, unfortunately, our Vice President of first independent India. All these Congress politics, Nehru politics, Gandhi politics, polarized, manipulated the history of India. Only because of this, that Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was very close to both the Johnson leader Shama Prasad and both the Congress leader Jawaharlal Nehru. Jadunath Sinha पिक्चर में नहीं आए और राधाकृष्णन को जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने बाद में देश का पहला उप प्रधानमंत्री बनाया. जब कलकत्ता हाईकोर्ट ने राधाकृष्णन को एफिडेविट देने के लिए बोले, राधाकृष्णन गिवन an affidavit over there. His date of birth was 20th day of September 1887, not 5th day of September 1887. तो हम उस आदमी का जन्मदिन पे कैसे टीचर्स डे मनाते हैं जिसका जन्म ही आज नहीं हुआ था? जो जन्म लिए थे 20 सितंबर को, उसका जन्मदिन 5 सितंबर पे हम कैसे टीचर्स डे बनाते हैं? क्यों बनाते हैं? क्योंकि पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू को, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद को प्रेसिडेंटशिप से हटा के राधाकृष्णन को प्रेसिडेंट बनाना था. राधाकृष्णन उपराष्ट्रपति बनने के बाद he went to Moscow. 1945 में नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र का मौत नहीं हुआ था. Subhash Chandra was never died in a air crash in 18th day of August 1945. He was in Russia and Radhakrishnan met him there for several times. Radhakrishnan went back to Delhi, asked Pandit Nehru, पंडित जी मैंने रसिया में गया था और सुभाष चंद्र बोस को देखा वहां पे. ही इज अलाइव, वो जिंदा है. जवाहरलाल नेहरू गॉट सरप्राइज्ड. जवाहरलाल नेहरू बिकेम फियर्ड. जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने बोले कि आप चुप हो जाओ, बिकेम साइलेंट. यू शुड नॉट स्पीक ए सिंगल वर्ड इन दिस. Then Radhakrishnan replied, what will be my recognition? What will be my reward? What should I get from you? Pandit Nehru answered him, you will become the President of India. And Babu Rajendra Prasad, who was very much honest, he was from Bihar. He was also a student of Presidency College, an eminent scholar, who was supposed to be the second time President of India, refused by Congress Working Committee to become the second time President of India, and Radhakrishnan was chosen for the second time first time President of India, developing himself from Vice President to President. Why? Because as a gift उसको ब्राइब दिया गया था कि पंडित नेहरू ने उसको समझाया कि सोवियत रसिया ने आपने जाके नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस को जो देखा वो इंडिया में किसी भी जगह पे आपको बताना नहीं आए, और इसके लिए वाइस प्रेसिडेंट से उसको प्रेसिडेंट बना दिया गया. और 1962 में राधाकृष्णन नेहरू के पास और एक बार बोले कि जीडी खोसला कमीशन रिपोर्ट में तो सुभाष का कुछ हुआ नहीं, तो आप मुझे एक और रिवॉर्ड चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट टू बी द नेशनल टीचर ऑफ इंडिया. एवरी टीचर ऑफ इंडिया शुड रिकॉग्नाइज मी एज देयर नेशनल टीचर ऑन माई बर्थडे. एंड नेहरू अनाउंस द डे ऑफ 5th September as a Teachers' Day in India. And we, the very full people of India, celebrating today a man's birthday as the Teachers' Day, who was manipulated his birthday, who was stolen theory of a student, and not only that, whose birthday was not at all on 5th September, and who suppressed the history, the mystical history of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose only because of his career. Such a person Radhakrishnan, जो अपना जन्मदिन को मैनिपुलेट किए थे. such a person Radhakrishnan, जो अपना स्टूडेंट का थियोरी चोरी किए थे. such a person Radhakrishnan, जो नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस को सोवियत रसिया में जिंदा देखते हुए भी इंडिया में आके नहीं बताए थे. उसको हमारे देश का प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने उपराष्ट्रपति से राष्ट्रपति बनाया, और उसका बर्थडे को इंडिया का टीचर्स डे बना दिया. आई एम वेरी मच सरप्राइज्ड. I am very much worried. Lot of teachers are there who are my friend. I got surprised. Even I have seen lot of teachers from the university, from the school, from the colleges, who are celebrating the day as a Teachers' Day, of a particular day, of a particular teacher who was a almost fake fraud, who has been insulted by the Calcutta High Court, who saved his life only managing Dr. Sama Prasad Mukherjee and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. How could we celebrate the day on a people's birthday who was not at all a good teacher, who was not at all academician, who was not at all a talented scholar, who was a fake fraud? दिस इज इंडिया। देश का आजादी नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने दिया, भगत सिंह ने दिया, खुदीराम ने दिया, हजारों जिंदा आदमी ने अपना जान गंवा के दिया। और कांग्रेस ने इतिहास लिखा कि कांग्रेस along with मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी and अहिंसा मूवमेंट we got freedom। Such fraud history। ऐसे ही मदन मोहन मालवीय, पंडित ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर, रामानुजम, कबीर, स्वामी विवेकानंद, आदि शंकराचार्य, thousands of literate and eminent people are there in India, but we have not considered their birthday as the Teachers' Day of India. We have considered a people's birthday on India as Teachers' Day, who was a fake, who was a fraud. Why? Only because he was a Nehru stooge. Because he suppressed the Netaji's mystery. Because he stolen the theory of his student. You all know that Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose discovered radio. But who got the credit? Marconi of Italy, because Jagadish Chandra Bose was a Bengali. And he was not born. And he was not born in independent India. Nobody was there to recommend with him, for the Nobel. Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose discovered a radio, and credit goes to Marconi. The theory of relativity, Bose-Einstein theory, was a theory discovered by Sir Satyendranath Bose of Calcutta, the eminent physician of Calcutta. And who got the credit? Albert Einstein, because Satyendranath Bose was a Bengali and was born in Bengal, and nobody was there, neither Gujarati lobby nor Marathi lobby, to support him for a Nobel. But it is fortunate that Albert Einstein gave him the recognition. So the theory of relativity come along with as Bose-Einstein theory. Now we people understand and we people believe that yes, Jagadish Chandra Bose discovered radio. This is India. No one is there in this country who can go and seek for the rightly said and rightly write the true history of India. From the day beginning of 1939, India is writing manipulated history by the stooges of Nehru, by the stooges of Gandhi. And we people fool celebrating the birthday of a man who was not at all born on 5th September, and we are celebrating his birthday as our Teachers' Day. This is the same for all the teachers and all the students. I am very sorry to say, my friends, my dear friends, teachers, please read some books. Please review the Modern Review article as published by the University of Oxford on 1929. Please read the Journal of Virat College as published on 1923 and 1924. Please read the article by Calcutta University published by the Department of Philosophy on 1925 and clarify and verify all these things. That everything was written by Jadunath Sinha, a simple, literate Bengali people from Rampurhat, Birbhum, not by your Radha Krishnan. And I request everyone, please celebrate birthday of Teachers' Day, either in the birthday of Adi Shankaracharya, either in the birthday of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, who was an eminent academician and established the BHU, or either on the birthday of Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, who became the first architect of modern Indian education system, or either the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Not the birthday of a people who was a fake, who was a fraud, who was a British stooge, who was a Nehru stooge, who was a Gandhi stooge, who managed Samaprasad and Nehru equally for his own career and suppressed the mystery of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose for becoming the President of India. I am extremely sorry if I hurt anyone else, but I request my each and every teacher, whoever the friends are there and following my live, please don't celebrate 5th September. Please don't celebrate 5th September as your Teacher's Day on such a people's birthday who was a fake, who was a fraud, and who was not at all a good teacher, a good academician. Please choose someone else who is honest, who is academician, who is scholar, who was down to the earth and humanic in the world and sacrificed himself for the motherland. And choose someone else to make your next Teacher's Day. Thank you all. I hope and I wish that you will share my video so that lot of people can read, can listen this and know the reality of Indian history, which have been manipulated by last 70 years with the Congress leaders. And even I also request my Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, please don't glorify these leaders. Both your leaders and these leaders, both are manipulated. Please don't glorify. If you don't know the subject, don't say about this. But if you know the subject, please particularly talk with the subject. I will request my Chief Minister of West Bengal, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and every man of India kindly celebrate Teacher's Day on such a person's name, which could be, yes, Guru Purnima could be the Teacher's Day. I appreciate Santosh. The birthday of Adi Shankaracharya could be celebrated as the Teacher's Day. The birthday of Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar could be celebrated as the Teacher's Day. The birthday of Madan Mohan Malabya could be celebrated as the Teacher's Day. But birthday of Swami Vivekananda could be celebrated as the Teacher's Day. The birthday of Chanakya of Patliputra could be celebrated as the Teacher's Day. The birthday of even Ramanuj could be celebrated as the Teacher's Day, not 5th September, a fraud day, a fake day of a fake people who could be celebrated as a Teacher's Day. I understand and I believe that you all people will do this and will think this, the reality, and will raise your hand, raise your sound to rewrite the new history of India for the sake of the motherland, for the sake of our new generation. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Namaskar.